François runs a small and growing organization. He is very busy. He must manage the project entrusted by his client and the internal projects daily. He has a lack of visibility on his business activity and on his employees' work. This situation prevents the decision-making process and the project follow-up. François knows that he needs to improve the coordination of his business, enhance cohesion in his small team, and support his employees to work more in project mode. All this with very few means. François wants to use a tool that perfectly meets the needs of his small business. A tool collaborative, easy to handle, secure and affordable. SuitePro-G Freemium, your turnkey project management solution that meets your expectations. Simple, pragmatic and free solution. Manage your project at ease. With SuitePro-G Freemium, you can map the task to be done, plan work over time, follow the progress of the project, create a load plan and budget plan, create a forecast, connect SuitePro-G to Microsoft Teams, connect SuitePro-G to your Outlook calendar, get contextualized support, contact the software editor for any problem. For the last 3 months, François has been using SuitePro-G Freemium. Now he has the visibility he needs to manage his roadmap. His employees share in real time the progress of the project. Thanks to SuitePro-G Freemium, François is learning the collaborative project management with simple, intuitive and scalable tools. François discovered with the software that he could manage the workload in and off projects. They can make timesheets and it's very useful for his billing. With the reporting option, it will even be able to track its turnover. François is delighted. SuitePro-G Freemium is simple, intuitive, pragmatic, secure and connected, offering quality and contextualized support. François' company keep on evolving and there are more and more projects. François plans to move to the paid version quickly and further anchor a future project. SuitePro-G Freemium, an accessible and scalable tool to manage your project.